What is the CSS? Where we can use the CSS? Important of the CSS. How many types of CSS? What is the structure of the CSS? What is the selectors? Okay, selector. 7. How can you use the selector in HTML5? So usually the entire CSS move around in this questions. Okay. And other thing is CSS properties categories. These are the 8 elements. Okay. First, what is the CSS and what it stands for? CSS is cascading style sheet. To make your application more rich and more colorful, more attractive, you are giving the beauty to the CSS. The same thing, the same element, the same media can be presented with the CSS in an attractive way. That is the thing. This is very important for the user experience. Why the button should be curvy? Why the shadows are there? Why the colors to be changed? Why the background is needed? Why the padding to be maintained between the buttons or between the spaces? So these are all the cases. It's a limitless. In the HTML, whatever the beauty you are going to do, that is very, very, very limited. In the CSS, this is completely as per your imagination. What you can think, that can be mostly the possible. What is not the possible, of course, we are going to make this any animations, and I'm talking about that will be with the JavaScript. Now, the look and appearance point of view, you can touch in each and every corner. So whatever the activities we are going to do for the to making any HTML element more attractive with the help of the CSS. That is the main funda, cascading style sheet. Simple thing. We know the media in the sense, it may be the text, it may be the image or the video, okay, or SVG. These are all multimedia elements. For example, you text, you place it. Color I want to change. Spaces to be maintained. Font to be changed. Shadow I needed. These are all the beauty elements. If the text is there, then only you can able to handle with the CSS. If the text is not there, you cannot do anything. That means without HTML, there is no CSS. CSS is not giving any information, any content. Simply, it is making you the HTML as a beauty. You are there, you are coming to the classroom with one attire you are going to come. If you are going to somewhere the party or any marriage party or birthday party, your attire will be completely different. But your thing, that means what is your inner content, cannot be changed. Okay, that is going to modify your look and feel. Oh, 1 minute. Karishma, ఉన్నారా?
సార్
ఒక పని చేస్తా, స్టాప్ చేసి మళ్ళీ పంపిస్తాను, ఎందుకంటే 2 minutes ఉంది కదా.